Hi guys, Leslie. So this video is for vocabulary on your desktop. Stapler, staples. So you put the staples in the stapler, you close the stapler, and then you staple papers. If you want to remove staples, you need a stapler remover. So you remove the staples. Scissors to cut, and this is the handle. Remember, scissors is two, plural. A ruler with different measurements, a pen that you use to write on paper, and of course, a pencil and a pencil sharpener. And you use the pencil sharpener to sharpen the pencil. So check out our blog for more information. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Take care.